What is up, everybody? It is D-Best here today, back with another video for y'all today, showing y'all another way y'all can make money in 2026. And today I'll be showing y'all how to make money using clone cards in 2026, aka blank cards, aka EMV software, and writing dumps and all that stuff. So yeah, today I'll be breaking it down in this video. Of course, I can't say too much about too much, but if you want the access to the full method, it's going to be down inside of my Telegram. Yes, I have a full EMV software pack that comes with video tutorials. So if you want the full method, you go down, you check that out. But number one, we got EMV software pack, even though I just said that. But basically what this is, I really should have put softwares up there. So just pretend number one is softwares. You need softwares that will let you take the technology from other cards and put them onto blank cards. So basically you have to take it through a number of software. So you might use one software to do one thing, then another software to actually burn it, then another software to make sure the chip work. Like it's a whole bunch of different stuff that goes through. So you need every single last software. And the best way to get these software is going to buy my EMV software pack. It comes with every single software you need, plus video tutorials on how to do this. Really, it breaks down this whole clone card. It's basically a whole pack, all softwares, video tutorials, currency codes, application identifiers, everything you need to cash out these blank cards. So, and I'm selling it for real cheap, you know? If you go on Telegram and look up EMV software, everybody is going to be selling it for overpriced. People are charging $500, $300, $1,000 just for like per software, and you need like 5, 6 of them. So do the math. Like people are taxing for these softwares around the Telegram community. That's why I have a pack that's giving you all of them for cheap, like, so you can get the most bang for your buck, if you know. So number two, we got Java JCOP blanks. And basically what this is basically the blank card that you're going to be burning the information on. But you can't buy any type of blank. It has to be a certain type Java JCOP cards, uninfused with track 1 and 2. And if you need the link to the specific cards, of course, they're going to be in the pack, or you can get them off Telegram. But yeah, grab yourself some of these blank cards. You can buy them. I think they come in packs, like you can buy multiple at one time. So it's easy, and they sell them on Amazon. It's not like you're going on the dark net to find they're literally on Amazon. Everything you need is on Amazon. Every single last product, for some reason. I don't know why, but don't ask me. Number three, you need an Omni key. And what an Omni key is, basically is the thing you're going to use to put the blank card in so you can actually burn the information onto the chip. Now, number four, it says MSR, and I'm not going to go into it, but I'm going to kind of talk about both of them at the same time because it's different types of clone cards. You got clone cards on the chip and you got clone cards on the strip. So you can clone the strip without cloning the chip. You can clone the chip without cloning the strip. But if you want to clone both, you got to get the Omni key and the MSR. The Omni key is specifically used for cloning the chip part of a car, and the MSR is used for cloning the strip part. So basically, if you had an Omni key and no MSR, you still would be able to clone a card perfectly fine. Same way if you had an MSR with no Omni key. But if you like to do ATM withdrawals, you might as well get the Omni key. So you can just put it in the ATM so it can read the chip, just so you can actually withdraw the money. Because I don't know if every single ATM only reads the mag strip. I'm pretty sure most banks read the freaking actual JCOP chip. So make sure you get an Omni key and MSR, just in case, of course. And number five, of course, it says 4 God questions about anything I discuss in this video that you can DM me on Telly. I am open for all questions all the time. I'm not a stranger. Y'all can text me. I will text you back. I will answer your questions. And of course, make sure y'all are joining my Telegram for updates on the channel t.me/Keith Swipe Club. And in the description, you're going to find a link, chirp.me, and that's going to be the link to all my socials. I actually have a TikTok. I have an Instagram.